Hello everybody! I finally got my hands on this Barbie Dream Besties Ken, and he looks very cute. I really do love the outfit he has on. The backside info says, "Hi, I'm Ken. My dream is creating viral videos about the environment and protecting animals. He likes surfing, skateboarding, biology. His favorite color is blue, and he loves his pets. And I think he usually has a dog." As usual, I really do appreciate the artwork on these boxes. I am a bit surprised about the hair. It seems to be flocked on the sides, but I do really love the outfit. It's really amazing. So now Ken is rescued. And about the hair, I am disappointed that the hair is not flocked on the side. It's like molded on the sides. I do like the sunglasses. I do like the outfit. It's a very cozy kind of suit he has on. I like the bag, but I'm not sure about the hair. I wasn't sure about his smile at first. I thought it looked a bit weird, but I kind of think he's cuter than I thought from the beginning. About the hair, I'm not really happy about that it's molded instead of flocked. So let's get to the accessories. I thought this was a surfing board at first, but I'm happy to see it's a skateboard, and the wheels really work. That's cool. It says Malibu. As you can see, there's a shark on the side. We also have a water bottle. It's very cute. Ice cream. This is sunscreen, which is kind of cool. A phone. And a phone case shaped as a surfing board. That's Ken. I do like these phones and phone cases, but sometimes they don't really fit into the case. Overall, I really like this Ken doll. I would recommend him, and I do like the accessories, and I was happy there was a skateboard instead of surfboard this time, and he's very cute and he looks good with the group, so I'm happy with him, but he should have flocked hair on the sides instead of molded hair. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please like and subscribe if you want to. Bye bye.